This is why you should always lock your doors.
Hey, yo.
This doorbell camera captured a suspicious man wrapped in a blanket approaching a house at 10:40 p.m. As he reached the porch, he didn't knock or call out for help, only scanned the area and twisted the doorknob again and again, checking if the door had been left unlocked. Completely unaware he was being recorded, he lingered for several seconds, and that's when the homeowner finally intervened.
Hey, yo, go away. What you doing? Get out of here.
The moment the man realized his cover was blown, he turned and walked away.